Good morning, Rattler family. This is Mr. Higginbotham coming to you today. I wanted to take a moment to introduce myself. Most of you have probably met me somewhere along the way over the last year, but my name is Jared Higginbotham. I am the elementary principal here, and this is my second year to serve in this district, and I am so proud and grateful to be a part of the Rattler family. I just want to take a minute today to give you some information, some idea about what's going to be going on at the elementary school this week. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we are going to be welcoming our teachers back on campus as they come for their first official day of professional development. We've been working so hard this summer getting things ready for your students, for them to have a successful school year. And our teachers are excited to get back and get into the groove of educating these young minds. Also, this coming Thursday night from 5 until 8, we will have our open house here at the elementary school. A couple of things that you need to know about that. We have been undergoing some major construction with our plumbing this summer, and because of that, the front entryway is closed at this time. So when you come for open house, please park around at the car rider pickup side where you would pick up in the afternoon. You can use the church parking lot there, and you will enter between the library and the mobile building out back, and then come on into your child's classroom. We will have staff throughout the building helping give you directions, helping you find your way to that classroom. But you not only can you use the church parking lot and that side entrance, but we're also going to open up the bus drive. That is the driveway between the elementary building and the football field, and you can park there and come in those back doors, and we will have staff members there to greet you and direct you as well. Another important bit of information that you're going to be hearing and seeing a lot more about is our new program this year called Watchdog Dads. This is a tutoring / mentoring program that is designed to get dads, granddads, uncles, important male figures into our building to be working with our students. This program this year is going to be led by our top dog, Mr. Josh Scott, and he will be assisted by Mr. Brett Chappell. And you're going to hear a lot more from them in coming days and information about Watch Dogs. Let's see, finally, August the 15th, 1 week from today, we will welcome students back into the building. That will be our first day of school, and we are so excited to see them, to see you, and kick off a great year. We really believe that 2022-2023 school year is going to be the best one yet. Thank you so much for all that you do to make Magazine the best school around. We appreciate you. We look forward to partnering with you. And if you need anything, please don't hesitate to contact our office. Thanks, and have a great day.